Hey, it's Melissa from Special Ed Law Mom coming to you today with another brand new video. I've been on the Facebook groups again. A lot of you have kids that have started back to school, and I'm seeing the panic on the Facebook groups because things you were promised last fall are not coming to pass, or sorry, last spring are not coming to pass. Or you're finally going to have that IEP meeting that you needed to have 5 months ago, and you're nervous about attending. So, I wanted to let you know about my back to school special. I know the economy is awful right now. I know money is tight. I would love to help you, but I need to make a living as well. So, I am offering 50% off my hourly rates right now. I usually charge $50 as of August 2024 for administrative work to do record reviews and also to write letters back and forth and to communicate with you about your issues. And then I normally charge 75 an hour to attend IEP meetings and compile state complaints and federal complaints. Right now, I'm offering half price on those until September 25th. I'm offering up to 10 hours per family to have that. I can't do unlimited hours, sorry. And I need all of the hours used by October 1st. So if you're interested in that, you can have an advocate look over everything for you for $25, as low as $25 an hour. My gosh, if you're not able to afford that, I don't know what to tell you. Um, I mean, people at McDonald's are making 15 an hour, and I've got 20 years experience as an advocate, and attorneys hire me to help them. So if you're interested, you can reach me at specialeducationlawmom@gmail.com. Please leave a comment down below. I do require a full record review in order to help you, depending on the severity of your situation. That can be as quick as 30 minutes. It can be 6 hours. It depends on how much is going on, how long you've let things go, how many communications I have to review, all of those kinds of things. I can't successfully advocate for you unless I know everything that's happened, and I do require that. But 20 as low as $25 an hour for professional help, my gosh, I don't know any other advocate out there that's offering that. So I hope you'll take advantage of that. I'd love to help you if you're able. And until next time, make it a great day. Thanks. Bye.